guys, welcome back to the channel. We have a really fun vlog. We are going to Thailand. We've been about 4 times and today we're heading to Phuket, so let's go. So I've had a little nap, I've unpacked, so let's get ready and go into town for some dinner. I'm not going to bother with any makeup or anything like that because it has been a long day and all I want to do is eat and go back to sleep. So we actually found this part of Phuket a few years ago. It's called Chiang Thailand and there's so many nice restaurants. This one cut is a steakhouse, but I get the chicken penang here because it is amazing. And they actually messed up on my dessert, so I ended up getting 3. We've just came to 7-Eleven. We're going to get some snacks and some drinks straight back to the hotel. Oh my god, have you ever seen a clear Pepsi? And look at this green tea like Kit Kat. Clink. Not bad.
So it's like a Kit Kat?
It's got a little something in it. Kind of tastes a bit white chocolatey. Ooh.
It's like a jelly.
Yeah, it's like water. I look awful, but we've just woke up. I'm so tired, but we're gonna head to breakfast and then we're just gonna chill for the rest of the day. The wrinkles are really saying hi this morning. So we've just walked to one of our favourite areas in Phuket. It's called Porto and they have lots of different restaurants here and all of them are so good, so let's try and find a restaurant. First up, we've got some prawn toast. Thank you. Some spring rolls. So I got some wok fried crab, a bit of fish and some rice, and this cost £5. Let's see what's in here. Look how cool all these chocolates look with all the different patterns on. And it claims they've won awards, so let's try it. Secured a little sweet treat. Another day, another trying new foods. To open this without them all falling out. Okay, right. How's this gonna work? We're gonna... First up, Phuket special. Pink. I do not think. No. Hazelnut. You're ill. Are you serious?
Yeah.
That's like a dark chocolate mousse with a nut. Milk tea. Yeah.
You like that a lot?
Time jump, we've came for a Spanish for tea and we've got a little meat and cheese platter with a truffle steak and mash. Obviously I got the cookie and we've got a healthy cheesecake. Tonight's episode of trying crazy things in Thailand, we have this Est cream soda. It's green. You thinking? Pink. I wouldn't be able to drink a can of it. I think like a sip's enough for me. Next up we have this Leah grape drink. We're thinking it's going to be like Vimto and we love Vimto.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, nice. Next drink we have is a clear Pepsi. Cheers. It tastes of nothing. First time I've come on here looking semi-presentable. We're going to head into town and get some dinner. Nothing too crazy because tomorrow we've got an early morning doing something exciting. So we've got a fish and chips tonight. We've got a white chocolate and pistachio cheesecake and a berry tart. So today we are at one of my favourite activities to do in Thailand. We are at the elephant sanctuary, so let's see what we get up to. So we've never actually been to the sanctuary before. The one we usually go to was Green Elephant Sanctuary and sadly they've closed down due to insufficient funding. But this one was fairly close to where we were staying and seemed like a good option. We started off by going and feeding the elephant Honestly, everyone always goes to see the babies first, but I absolutely love the adults. They are the most gentle giants ever. They're so lovely. This one was a grandma. She was absolutely adorable. And before I get the ethical police saying you can't feed and touch them, base your experience off how the animals are acting. Like, look, these elephants are so happy. They're not being abused or anything like that. I feel like elephants have good instincts and they can tell good people and whether they actually enjoy their environment. But we had a little snack and then it was time for the mud bath. It's so funny, the last time we did a mud bath it was thunder and lightning and that was an experience in itself. But here I did actually get some mud flicked in my contact lenses, which was not ideal, but I just love elephants and would always recommend having an elephant sanctuary on your tick list of things when you come to Thailand. However, they do poo in this bath water, so you can go in this little mud bath with them. I personally would not do it, but yeah, that's just me. So today we've got a chicken cashew and then Will's got a steak, but you can't really see. We've just finished lunch and the other day we spotted a head spa on the way back to the hotel, so we're going to go try it out. It was 999 Thai baht, which is about £23. And then after that, you go to get your hair dried and styled. Okay, my hair is finished. She did such a good job. And for the price, I'm in love. I'm gonna try and get back to the hotel before the rain starts so I can show you it properly. This is the final hair. How gorgeous is that for £23? I've just been chilling outside and look how beautiful the sunset is. So we're gonna go down to the lake and see what it looks like. I feel like this is going to be so pretty by the lake. Look how beautiful this is. Wow. Right after outfit change 862 of the day, we are ready and going to head out to go get some tea. I did tell you this vlog is basically going to be me eating all week because I love Thai food so much. If you ever want Italian food in Thailand, I highly recommend Little Siam. It is absolutely incredible. We are in rainy season, so let's just take a minute for the storm. Morning guys, so today is actually our 8-year anniversary. We've had a bit of a lie-in this morning, which is amazing because it was absolutely chucking it down. I think you'll see the clips from last night how bad the rain was and it carried on to this morning. So I'm not sure what we're going to do today. I have got a massage booked in the afternoon, but yeah, we're just going to go with the flow. I am quite hungry this morning, so I might see if we can go to the coffee club for some breakfast. I haven't had an actual breakfast for the longest time. So I'm just walking to my spa appointment, which I'm so glad for, because today the weather is extremely bipolar. 1 minute it's chucking it down, the next minute it's fine. So we need to be quick so we don't get rained on. I have these little bikes for all the villas, but I'm not confident enough to ride it. I'm really excited for my appointment. I can feel the rain starting again. It's a 2-hour appointment. I'm not sure exactly what's included. I think like massage, facial, stuff like that, so we'll see. And then to finish off, we've got some jasmine tea. And I think they said this was like banana. Okay, so we're ready for dinner. We're going back to the Thai we went to the other night because it was so good, but it is absolutely hammering it down. Of course, we've gone for the prawn toast again. We've got a chicken curry and then the crab again. Dubai has ruined me because why is it 28 degrees and I've had to put a tracksuit on because I'm so cold. Some room service dessert. So we have woke up to another rainy day in Thailand, but it's okay because today we are doing a Thai cooking class. But first we're going to head out and get some breakfast. See, this is the thing with Thailand. Glorious sunshine trying to make its way out now. This morning we're doing a Thai cooking class, so let's go. So there are absolutely loads of Thai cooking classes around Thailand, but this one was offered as a activity in our hotel. And can I tell you guys a secret? I absolutely hate coconut water. I literally take the coconut just for the aesthetic, but I absolutely hate it. But anyway, onto the cooking class. As you can see, they weighed out the ingredients for us, but we had to make the curry paste first, and that involved a lot of cutting and mashing. And then onto the actual cooking. So we had 3 different dishes that we needed to make.
Yeah. Wow, nice one. So 3 layers of coconut.
Here that I got a compliment that might actually smell good, and I do 0 cooking in the family, so that was a win. So that was the fish curry, and then we went on to the sweet and sour fish as well, and then the chicken soup as well. I have made all of this. This is a soup, this is like a prawn curry, and then a fish with sweet and sour. No, not spicy. Yeah, it's okay. Rainy evenings means we're heading to the mall, and we're also going to grab some dinner at this underwater restaurant we found. Sweating after over an hour in traffic, 20-minute walk in the rain. We finally got to the mall and where the restaurant is. The mall will be closed by the time we're done, so fingers crossed this food is nice. This is post-meal update. We actually ended up booking a really fancy restaurant where literally every person had a birthday. Someone even proposed here or some sort of celebration. But the meal was 12 courses. We chose the regular menu, but there was vegetarian as well. And then in between all the courses, there was wine pairings, and then there was also these little mermaid shows, as well as watching all the fishes in the aquarium. You can't really see the food because it was so dark, but I'd say it was maybe a 7 out of 10. And can we just take a minute for how pretty jellyfish are? Oh my god, I was not expecting to vlog the flight home, but we got an upgrade to first class. Oh my god, can you believe it? But first, a little bit of airport shopping. I really like the look of this brand, and I haven't seen it before, so I'm going to pick up a few skincare bits to try. And just look how cool this little magnetic lipstick is. I hate to be the person vlogging the cabin, but I need to document this to look back on it. I just cannot believe I am in first class Emirates. I got my pajamas and slippers. And I feel like you guys would appreciate the sneak peek of this week. Quick freshen up and look through the menu, and then time to sit back, relax and enjoy.